Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a React.js application which I developed if you want to export PDF directly inside the editor. So this is my WYSIWYG editor. If you see, we have the WYSIWYG editor. So whatever I write right here, it will be live preview. So you can see that as I'm writing here, automatically on the right hand side this will be rendered in the PDF document. So you will able to see we have all the rich controls which are there in a WYSIWYG editor. We will able to change the heading. We can write any text. We can even have the capability to add images as well in this WYSIWYG editor. You can directly embed any image and it will go to the next page and just choose the image accordingly, which let's suppose I choose a image which can be residing in that. You can see that. So on the right hand side you will see the live preview of this in the PDF document. So if you click on download, you will see you will be able to save your PDF document. So right in the browser itself you will be able to create PDF documents which contains text, images with this nice little WYSIWYG editor inside React.js. So this is actually a good static tool that you can deploy on your own website to earn a lot of passive income. So you can change the underline the text. You can also change the background color. You can highlight this. You can see that. You can even change the color of the text. Let's suppose I want to change it to a different color. Let me change it to blue color. You can again see it is reflected back. There is also a print option as well, so you can directly print this document as well right in the browser itself. You can write the actual document and then side by side you can also print it as well. So this is a complete project, guys. I'm giving you the link is given in the description. You can check out the payment link and actually purchase the full source code, which will contain the full directory structure. After the payment you will be redirected to Google Drive where you will actually get the zip file. You just need to extract the zip file which will contain this directory structure, which will contain this main file which is coded inside TypeScript. You can see we are using quite a number of third-party packages, and you can see we are using the latest version of React, which is React 18.3, and we are also using these third-party libraries, which is Quill, which is the WYSIWYG editor, and then we are using PDFMake library for actually generating the PDF document. So let me show you one by one the third party packages. So Quill, if you don't know, it's a WYSIWYG rich text editor, and it provides you with all the rich controls out there. So we're using this open source library, and then we are also using this library which is PDFMake, which is used to generate the PDF document right in the browser itself. So if you just write PDFMake, they do offer their Node.js package as well. So it's a very popular package, 784,000 downloads. This is their official website, pdfmake.org. So we are using this client server PDF generation library in pure JavaScript. So we have used this library inside our React.js project to build this complete project. So as soon as you're writing right here, you will see automatically it will generate the live preview, and you will be able to see on the right hand side you can add text, you can add images as well. You can see that it can span into multiple pages as well, so it will automatically detect if the image is larger, then it will split across multiple pages, so the image will come on the next page. So this is a complete project, guys. If you are a student, if you are a college going student, this will be a great project. You will be getting to see how I coded this project. So to run this project is quite easy. You simply, after you extract the zip file, just npm I to install the Node.js modules, and then simply run this command npm run dev. So this will start the development server. And if you want to deploy this website, deploy this app, you just run the command npm run build. So this will build out your application, and like this. So if you are interested, guys, the link is given in the description of this project. You can directly purchase it. You will get this full directory structure, and it actually runs in like this. So I've shown you. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com. And lastly, I want to show you passive income. So this tool that I showed you, I deployed this on one of my website which is approved using WYSIWYG, and you can see on a daily basis I'm earning a lot of passive income. So on each day, this is the last 7 days, so this tool is giving me this passive income every day, some passive income. We also have AdSense as well approved, so you can even see the AdSense income as well. From each day it is giving me some passive income. So this is a nice tool, guys. You can place advertisements. Once you purchase the full source code, you will actually get this entirety of this PDF editor. If you are interested, you can directly purchase it. The link is given in the description, and I will be seeing you guys in the next video.